जों जतन जोंनि राजकुमारिनाव जों नायसंनायजाक दिफ्रा कास्टल थांमानि लामो जों बनो नायसंनाय थांलायगौ जत माया गोनां खा गोनां जोंनि थाखोखौ बुखौ जोङो रायज्लाय हामबाय जोंनि दिफ्रा बे दिल्ली हिमै थानाय दाखौ बे बुखौ सङो लांसङाव बाङि बेलायखिनि रायज्लाय हामबाय जोंनि राजकुमारिनाव नायसं थांलायगौ बदाखिनिफ्राय सफैनाय नियाव नायसंनाय थांदि नमस्ते चीनी राजकुमारी भाई सफैजाक हम लोग का राजकुमारी जी आ रखा है जो हम लोग का जो डेविड जी को
अच्छा वो देखिए
स्वागत करने के लिए आ रखा है
So I'm very glad to see you here, David. You have been.
बुमा बदला किसा फड़ी किसा साइकिल लाइडी बुमा बदला किसा फड़ी तो संगो ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया
हम सुना कि तुम कोलैप्स हो गया था।
नहीं कल नहीं 5 दिन
भाई दे
कब तुम भाई
और बात करना है हम लोग इधर रुकते
ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले तो I want to welcome you and encourage you that you have been doing so much for our Tiprasa people. All of us are here together, united. We will stand, and whatever you're doing, this will go down in history. It will be remembered. So I have a small token for you. And who else has come with you? Who accompanied you?
so many people
So many came, na? Your name?
and obviously Sajra
Sajra to is yes, I know.
अरे थाने लोग है ये भजा कौन को जगन्नाथ साहब और ही पे क्या था
Let me felicitate you also.
side carry side
And this I had made for Maharaja Bir Vikram's.
yes wow
So it was his first anniversary. I
And
had
is it?
kept one. I keep it with me.
thank you
So may Maharaja's also blessings be on you. So you will continue to fight for our people, for our rights.
yes
और महाराजा भी अभी दिल्ली में है 23rd को मीटिंग है अभी हम लोग देखते हैं कि आगे जाके क्या होता है नहीं तो हम लोग का जो तिप्रासा लोग हैं हम लोग का जो भी प्रोमिसेस सरकार ने दिया था वो उनको पूरा करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि अभी आपको भी देख के और हम लोग जितने भी लोग एक साथ जा रहे हैं दिल्ली ये एक बहुत ही हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट हो गया है और जो भी हम लोग का मांग है डेविड जो भी हम लोग का मांग है जो भी हम लोग सबका मांग है इसको हम लोग को देखना ही पड़ेगा हम लोग ने इतना कष्ट से इतने साल को बिताया है और अभी जितना भी प्रोमिसेस फुलफिल करना है गवर्नमेंट को इसमें आपका भी साथ चाहिए हम लोग सबका साथ चाहिए ये अकेला डेविड नहीं है ये हम लोग सबका लड़ाई है पूरा तिप्रासा का लड़ाई और इसको ही बोल के आई वॉन्ट टू विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट अगेन और पूरा स्ट्रेंथ होना है आपको अच्छे से डिहाइड्रेशन नहीं होना चाहिए खाना पीना सब अच्छे से
by the grace of God and
by the grace of God by the blessings of our
Blessing of our
dynasty
peoples.
our people I hope and I know you will manage to fulfill your task.
Yes, yes.
We will do it. चलो एक साथ बोलिए सब. We will do this.
महाराज कुमारी राजकुमारी के राजकुमारी के प्रसा के
राजकुमारी जी जो हम लोग का जो डेविड मोहर सिंह जी जो है अगरतला तो दिल्ली पैदल यात्रा करने के लिए जो इतना जो बड़ा कदम उठाया, तो आप त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का आप क्या स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज देना चाहता है?
हमारा तो यही मैसेज है कि हम लोग ने बहुत कष्ट उठाया है. त्रिपुरा ये एक राज्य है जो इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद में सबसे ज़्यादा सफ़र किया है. इन्फिल्ट्रेशन, आउटसाइड इमिग्रेशन, रेफ्यूजी प्रॉब्लम, टेररिज्म भी आया इसके कारण, अंडर डेवलपमेंट, एडीसी एरिया को टोटली निगलेक्ट करना, हम लोग के तिपरासा लोग का जो विशेस है उसको ना मांगना, अभी भी इलेक्शन अलायंस होने के बाद में भी. तो ये एक स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है. ये बात नहीं है कि हर इलेक्शन में कुछ प्रॉमिसेस हो और उसको तोड़े, ये नहीं होना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट के लिए. हम लोग को भरोसा है कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने जो हमारे साथ प्रॉमिस किया है त्रिपुरा में, जो अकॉर्ड साइन किया गया था, उसको उनको पूरा करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये हमारा इच्छा है. ये कोई ऐसे ही मतलब झूठ मूठ का हम लोग नहीं कोई किस्सा बनवा रहे हैं कि ये कोई एक ड्रामा है कि डेविड पूरा यहाँ से चल के जा रहा त्रिपुरा से दिल्ली. ये एक कारण भी है ना. ये मेन कारण यही है कि प्रॉमिसेस जो फुलफिल नहीं हुआ है हमारे लोगों के लिए, हमारे स्टेट के लिए, ये होना चाहिए. जब तक ये पूरा नहीं होगा हमारी लड़ाई चलती रहेगी. एंड अभी ECI के साथ में भी मीटिंग है गुबागरा का, आगे जाके देखते हैं कैसा होता है. सो दिस इज़ अ गुड थिंग. टाइमिंग बिल्कुल सही है. डेविड इज़ गोइंग एट द राइट टाइम एंड महाराजा इज़ देयर, आवर MP, शी इज़ ऑल्सो आवर प्रिंसेस. वी आर ऑल टुगेदर विथ यू and we want the government to support us in this mission. That is all I'd like to say, and I want all of us to be with him and to be with Gubagra and our state in this task. And I ask the central government to take notice of this, because if the voices of the people are not heard, no government can last for very long. That is all I'd like to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you. बुमा बदल किसा फाइ मालाय लेदि जतन फाइगै
बुमा बदल मालाय गेदि खुबसां नाय खुबसां.
Good luck. Any of the ladies?
लेडीज तो नहीं है.
तो लोग तो बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. तुमको लगा देगा सच में. Sandra has also worked.
बुमा बदल किसा फाइ
Thupsang thì nào cho tôi
yang खालायदि.
See, this is, as you know, we have in Tripura a large.
Video.
So in Tripura, we have the ADC area, just like you have here in Meghalaya, the TTA ADC area. So it's, as you know, we are a minority in Tripura today. So we have a lot of issues regarding this, and as a result, the Tripura Motha party, which came to power, thanks to, our king, Tripura Motha. So the Tripura Motha has signed an agreement, an accord with the central government to ensure that there is progress in many fields in Tripura, especially in the tribal autonomous district council areas, because we have been seeing a lopsided kind of development for a long time. And as you know, after this, we are being close to Bangladesh. A lot of infiltration, the ethnic problems that come due to it, problems with land issues, a lot of things are there. And recently also, we've been asking for special task force as well. And there are certain issues to develop our area. And so as a result, we've been talking to the government, and we are also in alliance with the present BJP government in the state. But unfortunately, despite all that, we haven't been seeing much of a change. And some of the promises that were to be kept by the state and the centre, that has not reached the people or the state. So as a result of which, this is just one part of it. Persons like David Murasing, and we have our other, the students and the ladies groups,
So
the
this
society
issue
at
was-
large.
Was it taken up in in Tripura?
We've taken it up in Tripura many times, but somehow our voices have been not been heard. So as a result, this is like a desperate situation, you could say.
Government issued to fulfill our demand, the Prasad Accord, within 6 months. But it's already 18 months. So
And soon we'll
we
be having
want to
the
remind
elections
the
again.
government, this March, Agartala to Delhi, foot march, pedal march, this is because we want to remind the central government. Remind their promise.
This is the first state that you landed up, apart from Tripura.
From Tripura via Assam,
So did you halt in
Jowai.
Assam?
No, so not really. Went to Jowai. From Jowai, he's come here.
Okay. Since when did you start this?
19 days.
No, fifth from fifth of this month.
5th of this month.
Yes.
Okay. So today you will be moving to.
Today, no. I think tomorrow. Probably.
Today I am moving,
Today itself, you want to move?
Up to ISBT.
ISP.
Today up to ISBT.
Yeah.
So you'll be halting in ISBT.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Nearby the
this,
ISBT.
do you have the consent of the state government? Of Meghalaya state government?
See, this is a very peaceful march.
Okay.
It's just a reminder.
Okay.
We've had no problems so
Auli
far.
is working along with him.
We have how many people now? 16?
16. All these people, they came all the way from
No, they are
No,
not
no.
from
We
Tripura. They are
have
supporting from
we
here.
have Tripuris here in our
Okay.
state, in
Who are residing in
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya, they come.
So they've all been giving help, moral support,
Okay.
and also food.
Do you
and
have the
help.
copy of the letter which you have submitted earlier?
No, we don't submit.
No, that of course
That
the
accord.
accord.
That
That
accord.
is,
Okay.
No, that is in the website.
you'll be able to find it.
Is there a website? Okay. On which website can I find that?
In Google, you can search the Tiprasa
Tipra
Accord.
and Prasa
TIPRS
Accord.
Tiprasa Accord. Right now, just you search. TIPRSS. Accord.
So it's by the Tripura Moko Party. Just to cite that. So you get all the details over there. A long list.
And Tiprasa Accord, and you can search me as a David Murasing in Facebook. You can follow me. DAVID MURSING. Facebook.
Can I have your contact number?
9362.
So he has a long way to go. And we have to be united in this. For encouragement.
One of the beautiful
बेलायकै तिनी फाक्साङ चिनी राजकुमारीजी बबो चिनी दिल्ली थाङाय चिनी डेभिड छार ते बनी जत्त पाल न लामसगुई चिनी राजकुमारीजी चिनी लगो रोहित तंग बबो पैदल यात्रा हो जॉइनिंग फ्लाइट तंग फाइन बांगै चिनी राजकुमारी न बेलायकै पाइपलाइ हामबाय
No, no, no. It's far. So if you want to stay here, it's not far. It's 10 minutes, 15 minutes from here. Okay. You want to stay there?
Ano mo mo tra kita pas na kaya ba? Buma betul bos yang pahari. Buma betul bos ni kan dorok fede. Buma betul bos ni kan dorok fede.
Yang. Oke.
Yes, my blessings are there. Because everyone will bless you.
Orang sih sahaja saya.
Somehow, I will show you. Yes. Go ahead. It's called 150 hours. Or one of you come with me in the car, right? Then you will know the place you can drive. Okay?
चलो
So you're on Shiva only? क्या कर रहा है? Oh, very good. What subject?
I just passed out of class.
Ini singli ya, boleh? Singli ya. Anu, boleh.
Get inspired.
Jotna hambai chini Rajkumari thangkha tini chini joto dili thangnai chini tako bahut sogno lamsogoi bobo chano roi kisa himkha and magai chini Rajkumari na pipeline hambai